Then we move on to plan human resources. So here what you'll have as a project manager is look up for people, okay, like this. So for example, I'm looking up for an analyst. Okay, I get a list of potential analysts, and what I'll do here, I'll check to which activity is going to be it's going to be actually associated, which job category. If you work with cost and stuff like this, you got your cost rate and you got your sell rate, and then you can define what's going to be the workload of this person into this activity from when to when. Okay, so it can be done by percentage, okay, like this, very easily, and it automatically gives you how many hours it's going to be throughout this time. Or if it's activities you define directly, like, okay, this is a 100 hours activity and it's defined like this. Or if it's a maintenance activity and you say, no, this person is supposed to be working throughout the year 2 hours in order to do this maintenance on this system, for example. All right, so you can just plan the way you like and do pre-assignment. So depending on the process, whether the pre-assignment is going to be approved automatically, whether it's going to stay like this up there into this table, where you're going to see pre-assigned people up until the time that the resource manager does his job and define that this person is now assigned, and you get all the person that have been approved into your project. Okay, I'm going to just, if you want just 2 minutes on this, get into the same thing. So now I'm gonna log like I'm a resource manager, okay, and I'm gonna see those requests coming into the assignation approval. Okay, so I can see, for example, of the people that are pre-assigned, all right, to me, so I need to take a decision on all those requests. When you see things in orange, it's because I can request people when the project is still not yet approved in order to do some forecasting. Okay, but here as a resource manager, that means that I cannot approve the assignation. All right, but at least I've got the pre-assignment that is done. Okay, so I can see it into my resource capacity planning. Okay, that's the reason why it's in color. And then based upon all this, then I can just get into one. I'll see where this request is coming from, which project manager, and I'll see if this person is already assigned to another project or not. Okay, here that's not the case. I see that this person is fully available. So I see in orange the pre-assignment that I'm just managing at the moment. Based upon this, then I'll take the decision to approve, reject, or propose eventually another resource at another workload or in another time. Okay, I can see it to see if this person is available like this. How I can see that? Well, I'm going to my resource capacity planning, and for all my people that are actually in my resource pool, then I can see what is their workload like this. So I can see the different people that I've got to manage in my pool, and I can see what's their workload in between different dates. So based upon the request, I can just filter by date, and I can see who might be available to work for this assignment and propose this person. If I want to go a little bit deeper, then I just open up like this, and I can see in which project is this person busy and when. Okay?
Okay.
What I can see as well from the resource management is going to be resource capacity running. So I can see for my people how many hours they've been dedicated to projects. Okay, I'm just selecting dates to dates, and I'm getting the different people, and I can see where they spend time, and I can see if they spend time split as well. In this case, it's not project, it's like operation account, that's in Spanish, but it means holidays. Okay, so I can have people as well declaring hours into holidays activities or what we call operation account activities. Otherwise, I'll see into those projects where those people have been spending their time. Okay, I'm coming back now to where we were. So once the assignment is being completed, then as a resource manager, as a project manager, sorry, I'll see, for example, my resource capacity planning. So see who in my team is going to work at what workload throughout the project. And I'm going to see graphically as well the representation of what are the people that works in the different activities of my project. I'll be able to add project calendars if I want. By default, there is always a project calendar associated to each resources, but I could define specifically a different project calendars. And that will give me my team calendar for this specific project. So that means that here, what I will see is on a day-to-day basis, who are the people that are working into my project. So I can see with different colors. When it's in white, it means that this people on the 5th of April is supposed to be working into the project. Okay. This is for planning, so you don't need to plan everything. Okay, I'm just showing you everything, but depending on the
No, but
project, okay, you don't need to use everything.